Hello, this is Garens. I'm going to present you my teams for the Sanjay Treasure map. Let's begin with the first boss, Nami. Against this one, I will use Kaido as captain. First stage, use the super class. Second stage, Kiku. Final stage, Sasaki to remove damage threshold and give you an orb boost. Paralysis will be removed thanks to the Barto support. And the waifu are also there to reduce the cooldown of your team by 1. Otherwise, Sasaki won't be ready. So if you don't have the waifu, you can just use any other Robin and add the Mr. 3 support on Sasaki and you will be good. For the higher levels, you can use Katakuri on stage 2 before to use Kiku to get the attack boost in addition on the final stage. And for the final stage, once you have used Sasaki, you just need to hit one good with Kaido and then hit with Katakuri and you will deal insane damage. And if you get the bonus stage for the early level, you just have to use the super class, and final stage use Kiku and Sasaki. And for the higher levels, with the bonus stage, use Katakuri, then Kaido super class, and final stage Kiku and Sasaki, and you will be good. I have also another team to fight this boss on the minimap. So this is this one. On first and second stage use Zoro, final stage use Eneru to remove the damage threshold, then use Big Mom and you will be good. Add all the statistics support to increase your health, and if you don't have enough health, just bring any ship to increase your health. The best is the Navy ship to get 1.5 health boost. Otherwise, the new Jinbei ship should work probably. Just check depending on your characters. Then against Brook, I will use Nekomamushi Sulong as captain. First and second stage use the super type, sorry. Final stage use Inuarashi to reduce your cooldown and give you an attack boost. Then use Nugget to get the color affinity boost, remove Despair, and Shiroshi is there to get the rainbow orbs at the beginning of the quest. And for the higher levels, you can use Inuarashi, then Nekomamushi, then Nugget to get attack orb and affinity, and that's also possible if you need even more damage. You can use Inuarashi, Nekomamushi, and Toki to get the color affinity boost. However, you need to put the V1 Oden on Nekomamushi, otherwise it won't work. And you start with Roger and use it to increase the attack and affinity boost. Or otherwise, that's also possible to bring the V2 Oden support on Inuarashi to get the color affinity boost for Slasher, and you can also bring either YTB or Marco on Nugget, and you also start with Roger, and thanks to that you will have attack, orb, affinity and chain boost. Then for the Robin boss, I will use Marco as captain, so you just have to activate the super class on the first stage and it will automatically kill first and second stage. On the final stage, you just have to use Sengoku. He will remove the bind, attack done, also it will remove the block orb and change them into matching orbs, and it will also give an orb boost by 2.25 for the fighter characters, and it will be fine, excepted if the chain down is too high. You will have to use Bonnie to get the chain lock, but honestly Bonnie shouldn't be needed. I just took care in case, but with the 1.4 chain boost we just have to use the Sengoku and that's all, and for high level you can use the Sengoro to get the Color Affinity boost in addition. However, Sengoro won't get the orb boost from Sengoku, so it with him before Robin and Bonnie. After, against the Chopper boss, definitely the most mini boss annoying ever for sure. So against this one, I will use Kid as captain. First stage, just kill with normal hit. Second stage, use one Kid superclass. Final stage, use the second superclass and killer special to reduce cooldown and remove paralysis. Then you can use Magellan to remove barrier, give you a conditional boost. After, use Capon to give you an attack boost and the Capon's castle. Thanks to that, you won't die with the burn, as it will be the castle who will handle the damage. And use the Kid friend to give you the orb boost, and on the revive use Teach special to remove the bind, also to give you the chain boundary, and then your Kid to give you attack and orb boost, and also all the matching orbs. And thanks to that you will be good. You will deal insane damages. Otherwise, if you don't have the Teach, you can bring the Germa, and if you do that, you can remove the Doffy support, and on the first turn, you will have to use Kid superclass, Killer, then Magellan Hannibal, after Capon, your Kid, and on the revive you will use the Kid friend captain and your Germa special, and they will become captain and you will be good. Otherwise, I have another team. This is this one with Koala friend captain. So just put Koala in any regular team and you will be able to find NR easily with the last update. On the first stage, just kill with regular tap. Then second stage, use Luffy. Final stage, you have to use Magellan to remove the barrier and give you the conditional boost. Then use Koala to give you color affinity and also to heal. That's very important because with this team I don't remove the burn. Then use Low to give you 2 times orb boost, 2 turns orb boost and chain boundary, but the orb boost, this is a 2.25, and it will be increased with Nami, but Nami is mainly there to remove the paralysis. Just make sure you use Low before Nami if you have air, and if you don't have Nami, that's not a big deal. You can just use the treasure map Sabo who removes the paralysis and also the burn. And you can use also the Yamato super type in addition if you want more damage. That's also possible to add the Doflamingo superclass support on Magellan and Hannibal to get chain boost on the last stage. And on the revive, you just have to use Yamato special and you will be good. And if you don't have the direct support, that's not a big deal. If you have it, it will give you an attack boost for the striker character, so Yamato, Magellan, and Nami. And if you have the same setup as me, you will have to hit one good on the first turn, then 5 perfects should be possible. It will depend on your health, otherwise for sure 2 good or 2 great and 4 perfect will be fine. And if you are worried about the burn, just use Sabo and you will be good. And same thing, if you are using Sabo, use him after low. And if you want an attack boost for the final stage, you can also save the Luffy. The attack boost will be only for him, but that's also an option eventually. Otherwise, I have 2 teams for the minimaps because this boss is a nightmare. So if you can face him on the minimap, do it. So that's the first one. It will be the one I will use. For the first stage, use Elisabello, second stage Eneru, and it will reduce your health by 50%, and thanks to that you will get the Kaido super type on the final stage. That's also possible to use the Whitebird ship to get the super type on the first stage, and you can use anyone else instead of Eneru, but why not using Eneru to use the OA ship. Then on the final stage use Zoro to reduce Whitebird cooldown. After use Whitebird with the YTB support, that's very important. And this Whitebird will cut the health of the boss. Then it will remove the barrier thanks to YTB. After use your Kaido super type to kill the boss. And on the revive, use the second Kaido super class, super type, sorry, Kaido super type to kill. And otherwise, I have this team with Koala as captain. So for this one, use Brook on the first stage, Elisabello on the second stage. Final stage, you have to use Koala to heal, then use Teach to remove the barrier, and finally Big Mom. And on the revive, use the friend Koala and Big Mom a second time. So with the Kaido team, that's the same. First turn, use his super type. For this one, use this Koala special and revive friend Kaido or friend Koala, and you will be good. Finally, against the main boss Luffy. So for this one, I will use this team with the Zoro booster as friend captain. So let me check. Against this boss, for the first stage, you have to use Uta and Uta super class. Then you can kill. Second stage, you will have to use Zoro special to remove the chain lock and give you a better chain lock. To remove the block orbs, you can use either Brook or Luffy, it doesn't matter. On the final stage, you will have to use Robin to remove a special bind and burn, and also she will give you a defense conditional boost. You will also have to use Brook or Luffy to remove the block orbs. And finally use Moria to remove the resilience. Otherwise, I have another team with double Uta. That's this one. So for this one, on the first stage, you have to use Uta and super class. Also, that's very important to use the Franky on the first stage, because it will give you a chain lock for 2 turns, and thanks to that, the enemy won't be able to add the bad chain lock on the second stage. Then second stage, use the second Uta to give you all the matching orbs and 1.4 chain boost for 3 turns. And on the final stage, use Robin, Shanks Treasure Map twice to remove the barrier, and finally use Moria to remove the resilience, and you will be good. And for the invasion, the final team, this one will work either with double Uta or Zoro booster friend captain. So that's the same for the first stage. You have to use Uta and Uta super class. Then on second stage, so if you are using Zoro as captain, you will use him on the second stage, and you will use the Shanks Treasure Map to remove the barrier. Then on the final stage, you will use Robin to reduce defense and increase damage with defense reduced. And you will use after the Franky to increase your chain lock and give you matching orbs with the Kung Fu Luffy. And if you are using double Uta, use one Uta and after super class on first stage. Then second stage, use the second Uta special and use the Brook to remove the damage threshold. And final stage, use Robin, and that's all. With double Uta, you won't use the Franky special, because you will have the 1.4 chain boost. It will be better compared to the Franky special. And that's all. So I wish you have liked the video. Let me know, and don't hesitate to ask me anything. I will try to reply. And I will stream doing this treasure map for sure the weekend after work, the Friday night. I might eventually stream Wednesday and Thursday, maybe, but that's not sure. And if that's the case, it will be on my phone, because I'm not going to lose time to download the game on my phone, then on my computer, and again on my phone, and with work that's not worst. I will just download the game when I will be free the weekend. So we will see about that. And as I said, feel free to ask me anything. and I wish that you have liked the video, and I wish you good luck for your treasure map. Well, goodbye and see you later.